In this video, we are going to see Industrial Safety and Health Acts under the subject of Product Design Engineering. As Directorate of Industrial Safety and Health, it means DISH, formerly known as Factory Inspectorate, is administrative machinery set up by Government of Maharashtra with an objective of enforcing the Factories Act 1948 and Maharashtra Factories Rules 1963, made under so as to ensure safety, health and welfare of the workers employed in the factories. With the growing of industrialization, amendments were made in the Factories Act 1948 and Maharashtra Factories Rules 1963, made under from time to time. The department was given the responsibility of enforcement of certain provisions of the manufacture, storage and import of hazardous chemical rules 1989, the chemical accidents, emergency planning, preparedness and response rules 1996. The Maharashtra Factories Control of Industrial Major Accident Hazard Rules 2003. Considering the new rule of the department as a friend, philosopher and guide, Factory Inspectorate was renamed as Directorate. Industrial Safety and Health and Design designation of the inspectors were changed to directors since June 1991. The labor movement started at the end of the 18th century in Maharashtra under leadership of two greatest visionaries, late Mahatma Jyotirao Phule and late Narayan Meghaji Lokhande. Labor legislations being the part of social securities, this department follows the guidelines issued by international labor organizations, that is ILO, in the form of various conventions from time to time. The vision and mission of this is safety, welfare and health of all workers in factory premises is paramount to us. Therefore, we are absolutely committed to curtail the imminent injuries, casualties, and health hazards at workplace to ultimate level and best of our satisfaction. This will help in catering the productiveness of the industry. Now, we are going to see industrial safety, issues of licenses, inspection of factories, enquiry of factory accidents and suggest preventive measures, enquiry of complaints and its redressal, to conduct cases under the Factories Act 1948 before the magistrate as app, assist the district authority in the preparation of district offsite emergency plan, to work as a member secretary of crisis groups formed under chemical accidents, emergency planning, preparedness and response rules 1996, recognition of competent person, registration of welfare officers, etc. Now, occupational health. Deputy Director Medical carry out the inspection of the factory. Work environment monitoring, it means to carry out health survey such as noise, ventilation, air, etc. Age verification. The examination and certification of young person under Factories Act. Examination of person engaged in factories in such dangerous occupation and process. Authorization of carrying surgeons, of certifying surgeons. Recognition of first aid training institute, etc. Now, we are going to just discuss the Factories Act requires employers to provide basic safety measures including securely guarding all parts of dangerous machinery, precautions for working on machinery, for example helmet, apron, mat, safety shoes, etc. Emergency devices for cutting of the power, maintain hoist and lifts to ensure cleanliness of the workplace, make effective arrangement for treatment and disposal at waste and effluent, make suitable and effective provision for adequate ventilation, maintain temperature to secure reasonable comfort for workers, remove any dust or fumes from workplace which may be injurious to workers. Prevent overcrowding by maintaining a specific cubic area for each worker. Provide sufficient and suitable light. Make suitable arrangements to provide clean drinking water conveniently situated for all workers, and provide suitable latrines to specific standards. Measure to prevent fires. Measure to remove gas and dust before entering confined places. Test pressurized vessels regularly. These minimum issues we discussed regarding Industrial Act. Thank you.